Golden Octagon now finally inside all set. With Lacteo winner take all choices, stand by for a dispatch. The horses had gone out inside the gate, then the race has just begun. We have pagkakaisa. Past to begin, Nori outside Golden Octagon. In between runners comes Keripat. Running by the Leather King, and import comes Awesome Andrea. Heading towards the 900-meter fall, we have Keripat, the leader by about 3/4 of Palenka. Running by the second is Leather King, and Nori outside. Third comes Golden Octagon. Awesome Andrea is in port, then followed up by Keripat. Pagkakaisa, Wapo the King and Apo Island. Reaching the last 600, Keripat by 0.3 for Palenka. Moving up now to take second is Golden Octagon. Shuffle back to third comes runner number 2, and that is Leather King. And as they turn for home, Keripat, Golden Octagon now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Golden Octagon. Keripat shuffle back in second, and on the outside, Awesome Andrea. And down the stretch they come. Golden Octagon, Awesome Andrea moving up on the outside like a bullet train. Golden Octagon, Awesome Andrea, but Golden Octagon wins the race over Awesome Andrea. Then comes Wapo the King, Keripat, number 7, pagkakaisa, Leather King.